Welcome to today's video. Today we are tackling a common problem faced by developers using Oracle Apex. The problem we are addressing is the lack of a success message when executing a SQL procedure to make a reservation for a customer and assign tables. This can leave users in the dark about whether the reservation was successful or not. As a workaround, we have attempted to display a success message in the code, but it hasn't been working as expected. Let's dive into the solution for this problem. The solution to our problem involves adding an out parameter to the SQL procedure, which will populate a page item with a success message. By referencing this page item in the success message attribute of the page process, we can ensure that a message is displayed to the user when the reservation and table assignment process is successful. In the provided code snippet, we see an example of how an out parameter is used to return a success message from the PL/SQL procedure. This approach provides a clear indication to users when their reservation and table assignments have been completed successfully. In summary, by incorporating an out parameter in the SQL procedure and populating a page item with a success message, we can ensure that users receive a clear confirmation when their reservation and table assignments are successful. This simple addition enhances the user experience by providing timely feedback on the outcome of their actions. I hope this solution helps you address the issue of missing success messages in your Oracle Apex application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech problems you'd like me to solve. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks in the future.